McDonald's is launching a new $2.99 snack wrap. McDonald's is giving customers a new reason to revisit its chicken menu with the launch of a limited-time Caesar sauce arriving July 21st. The new sauce will serve as the centerpiece of several chicken offerings, combining a familiar flavor profile with some of the chain's recent menu favorites. Described by McDonald's as a creamy, garlicky Parmesan blend with notes of lemon, the Caesar sauce is designed to add a richer, more savory option for customers looking to customize their chicken orders. A major highlight of the launch is the new Caesar Snack Wrap, a fresh take on one of McDonald's most requested returning menu items. Originally introduced in the US in 2006 and discontinued in 2016, the Snack Wrap returned in 2025 after years of fan demand. The new $2.99 Caesar Snack Wrap features a McCrispy strip, shredded lettuce, shredded cheese, and the new Caesar sauce wrapped in a tortilla, with prices varying by market. The new Caesar sauce will arrive alongside McDonald's McCrispy strips, giving the chicken offering a timely flavor upgrade, just as the chain enhances its signature crispy coating. Originally introduced in 2025, McCrispy strips were created as a shareable, dippable option made with white meat chicken, adding another choice to McDonald's growing chicken lineup. Ahead of the Caesar sauce launch, McDonald's has upgraded the strips with a reformulated panko-coated breading designed to deliver a noticeably crispier texture. The refreshed coating gives the chicken a crunchier bite and creates a better pairing for the new creamy Caesar dipping sauce. For customers looking for a bigger chicken experience, McDonald's is also introducing the Bacon Caesar McCrispy sandwich. The new sandwich combines a crispy McCrispy filet with Caesar sauce, bacon, shredded lettuce, Roma tomatoes, onions, and crinkle-cut pickles, all served on a toasted potato roll. The menu edition blends the familiar McCrispy sandwich format with the new Caesar-inspired flavor, creating a more indulgent option for the limited-time lineup. McDonald's Caesar sauce will also be available as a standalone dipping cup at participating locations, letting customers pair the limited-time sauce with McCrispy strips, wraps, or other chicken favorites.